That's what crime do. See this, you niggas. That's all the mind move.
The driver or a company representative will retrieve your luggage at the end of the trip on the motor coach. Aggressive behavior
Base kids,
towards
answer
or
your
assault.
motherfucking phone, nigga.
These racks in my pocket, that's what crime do. See my young niggas with me, cause that's how the mind move. I turn the cream soda to a pop. Leave them off the top, everything I got exclusive. I kicked in overdrive, I ain't tryna.
Hey, is she drift out or what?
I literally don't have my feet fit.
Oh my god, the shoes.
Alright, good check. So,
Good check.
yeah, look. Ignore the shoes.
Okay, so sweatshirt from?
Sweatshirt, this half euro, about
Yeah.
23.5, 30
Yeah.
mil.
What? Okay.
Sweat, you got some Nike?
Nike. What's the shoes?
They vintage. Oh, shoes, Adidas.
Alright, and the glasses?
These are your Versace.
Okay, and facial, what we got?
We got the triangles.
Okay, chocolates.
These be from Primark, I think.
Primark, alright.
Vintage
Vintage. Okay, and what's this from? What's that?
Oh, this is
You got that Lululemon?
Lululemon.
Lululemon. Oh, okay, me too. Okay. What we got?
We got Charlie's Honey from Amazon.
Okay. Okay.
We got the vintage Nike.
Oh, don't play with it, don't play with it. Vintage in the house.
And what's right there? Cartier
Cardi?
They ain't really.
Cardi? Oh, I see. Yeah, I see. Yeah. But, oh my god.
Nope, go ahead.
Alright, I'll let you point where I should split the deck. Ooh, right here. Yeah, this is your past, present, and future. So the past is going to be something that's already happened to you that could use reflection for your present. These are looking at my Vulpix cards. And Vulpix represents passion and enthusiasm, but just in its beginning stages. Booster packs with you, the trick-or-treat booster pack. But there's no pressure.
I'm not a big Pokemon fan, but
That's okay.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much.
Of course, have a good day.
You too.
I don't know why my camera can't it didn't zoom out far enough. I gotta be more steady because last time I wasn't. Oh my god, last time was so bad. So I got some pure leaf lemon. It's warm, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. So we are going right now to see Destroy Lonely and Ken Carson in his house. In his humble abode. Yep. So I think this is shaky. Do you want to give it a try, Facial? Videography? Videography? Yeah. Sure. Post. Alright, after this says. Stop looking dumb. She's trying to be Megan Fox. After this says, we're about to be cold as fuck.
Do I look like Megan Fox?
When we go out.
Be honest, do you look like Megan
And
Fox?
do I look like Megan Fox?
Yes. Just imagine.
So basically,
Why are you fixating on the Destroy?
So basically,
Friday, October 27th, 2023.
Bro, you were not making the intro.
A Friday. Dude, a Tuesday.
A Tuesday.
A Tuesday.
Okay, let's go. Tuesday. And now we're going to walk back. Okay, wait. Listen to his music.
Oh my God.
So we are getting ready right now.
Oh, wait.
Come do fit check. Oh, you don't even have your costume.
Yeah, wait till we're done.
Okay, wait, never mind. You didn't see that. Rewind.
Hey, boy, get ready for this. Jennifer's body edition.
Oh my god. Oh my god, do your intro.
I need to try.
I'm gonna set it up like a real camera. Okay. So for tonight we are, what are we doing?
We're headed out.
Okay. So
Day 2 of Halloween. We're going to 2 spots, maybe. Hopefully.
An exclusive spot.
It's not.
We already spent like 10.
10 what? We spent $10 on cover already, and we don't even know if we can get in. What else? Carly likes to take hours to get ready.
It's not a desire though.
It's currently 8 p.m.
This is too hard. I can't finish. Oh my god, Jennifer. It's on speaker. It's on speaker. Rachel.
Where is she? Okay, say bye to the vlog. Say bye.
Bye vlog. You're on the
Fit check.
Okay, Jennifer's body number 1 is like her first outfit, so we got the puffer, and I got this little tee, and then
Her body tee.
the skirt, denim skirt, and then whatever the fuck this is,
The tight.
and beater, little beater.
Okay, and switch. You swap. Alright, so we got this second costume, right? No.
Yes. No, second.
Second costume. We got the cheerleader fit and the Ricks, and that's it.
The belly button.
Yeah. What?
I forgot I had blood on my face.
Blood? What are you talking about? And there's Patial's fit. Do Patial's fit.
My fit?
Do Patial's fit. Oh my god. She doesn't know how to record.
Okay.
We got the heart sweater. Are we saying where it's from?
No.
Okay. We got the boot cut blue jeans. We got the peep the accessories here. I'm Jennifer actually. And then the earrings. Thank
Okay.
Hey.
Jennifer 1, Jennifer 1.
One,
Jennifer
two,
1,
three.
2,
Oh,
3.
Because it's the third
Outfit.
outfit to show in
In
the
the
movie.
she's one then. No, she's one.
No. The
Wait,
opening scene
The
is
opening
her.
scene
Oh,
is
right.
mine. So I'm Jennifer.
We done fucked it up.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Period. Okay, let's go. Yeah. We're about to be late. Oh my god, my hair. Get this piece behind my head. Ow!
Want me to lower that how I did?
Yeah. Whatever you think is best.
We in that bitch. We in Singapore.
Like flat, I was like, yeah, I like that.
Damn, okay. Slay queen. Why does she have flash? Why does she have flash? That's too dark. Maybe just hold it. What's she about to do?
90 degrees.
Y'all put that in the vlog. This should be the intro.
Yeah.
I gotta go.
So what's going on, y'all? What we
You
got?
know, like we
McDonald's time.
we rehydrated with quality food.
Rehydrating.
For what?
Fucking Coke.
Okay, let's see it,
So
Carly.
day 3 about to come, but we
That's
gotta
so sad.
rehydrate.
Did that one Coke could replace a smoothie? That's how it tastes.
They messed up our order really bad. Oh, is this mine? What are you doing?
So, shall we go?
Come on, Patial.
Yeah, Patial. say yes, Mom. Please, I'll do chores. I'll do all the chores for 10 weeks. Till Thanksgiving break. Till winter break. Next semester. Next year.
Next year is closer than next semester.
Next school year. Next school year.
Okay, man. She's not gonna answer. Figure something out.
Allie, what do you say?
Allie's going to sleep. I'm going to sleep.
Allie TikTok took my songs. Friday, October 20. No, Saturday.
We already have one.
Saturday, October 28th.
What time is it?
I said that right. It's
12:33. 2:34. What the fuck?
1:34. 2:34.
Why does it look like 12 on here?
2:34.
2:34. Oh my god, is she stupid? It looks like there's a 1 on here through the camera.
There's a line?
Like
How
right
do you
here.
know?
Through the camera, I'm looking.
Oh, a line. I thought you meant like a line at Mesa.
I don't know where she got that from.
Are you okay?
Oh, wow, so we're hating on me today.
Are you okay?
No.
Okay. So, what? What's going on? No, we can't do that.
We can do whatever you want to do.
What do you think? Is it open?
Should we go to George's Gyros?
No, they're closed too, remember?
Okay, Pedro, tell us. What do you need right now? Oh, that's it?
Oh.
Only you can give yourself that.
Why is your hair like that? What we doing?
So basically, we made vodka pasta. We made vodka pasta with actual vodka. Trigger warning.
Trigger warning. So we're about to strain this. This is homemade.
It kind of sounded good.
That was good.
I wasn't even trying to do that.
Where's Rachel though? Oh.
Hello. What we got? Show us that one.
Oh, what's over here?
We got some veggies
Okay,
cooking.
yummy. She made it. Yep.
Sushi. So now we have assembled the dish.
Yummy. We about to put that up before we go. And it's 5:30. We need to be getting ready.
Oh my god.
It's 5:30.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Is it done? Yeah. Get the balls. No. Oh my god. It's stuck.
W plate. Add the Parmesan. Okay, no, we're not.
Saying grace.
No.
Saying grace.
You're not even. Okay.
Wait, I didn't say who I'm saying grace to. Not the grace of God, the grace.
Okay, bye.
The God.
Can we get a rating of the pasta?
Yes. Pasta? Okay, I give it like 9 out of 10 in terms of like the pasta's been better. We didn't have chili flakes, so that would have made 10 out of 10.
Alright. Rachel, you're next.
The rating?
Thought? Yep.
I would also say 9 out of 10. Chili
Okay.
flakes, and we're good, I think.
Yep. I'm focusing.
What about you?
I give it a 8 out of 10. The chili flakes would have made it better.
Agreed.
We did half the makeup.
I'm missing an eyelash.
You're missing eyebrows.
I'm gonna X, I'm gonna codeine. I'm gonna X, I'm gonna codeine. What's she up to? Oh. And what's she up to? She's like done. Do we look like Cardi? I think if we did the drip and the lips would look like it. But for now we look crazy. No.
Okay.
Hey.
So basically, like.
So basically, what's she today?
Ajayla, me, and Ajayla.
So just me. All right. This is from Amazon. It's killing me. These are from Shein. These I stole from my friend.
Rick's from Rick.
This is also from Shein.
Rick from Rick.
And
Rick's from Rick.
Rick from Rick.
Rick's from Rick's.
Dirty. And Carly and me. Myself.
And now, paycheck, hurry.
Today I'm a Call of Duty /soldier
Army
person. Fit check. We got the hat.
Commander, what we got?
We got the hat. A bandana in the green fit and peep the.
Oh damn.
Peep the shoes.
Tim's. Okay, she's starting on the Tim's.
The Stompers.
Okay, how much your fit cost?
$3,000.
3,000. She rich.
Your taxes actually.
Alright, we got drinks to be drank. You feel what I'm saying? Let's go.
And we got some secular to be playing.
Boom.
Okay. Excuse me. Who am I here with?
Marseille.
Okay. So how much your fit cost?
How much my fit cost?
Yeah, what you got on?
I got a whole lot of Nike drip on. Not a whole lot. Something calm. Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy?
Crazy, nah.
Okay, so you a Sox fan?
Like a cool 300, something like that.
300. Okay, 300.
Crazy, nothing crazy.
Okay. So what's your body count?
0.
0. Wait, what?
0.
Wait, why are you lying?
0.
Will you tell the truth?
On God, 0. On God.
Okay, you put that on God. Okay. That's the only questions I got. Okay?
Done.
Thank you.
Marseille.
You got any Instagram?
I do, but I ain't got to shout shit out.
Okay, no shout out.
No free Palmer. What the fuck? No free Palmer. You got it.
Okay, who am I here with?
Owen?
Okay. Owen, how much your fit cost?
What?
How much your fit cost?
My fit?
Yeah.
I use my brother's fit.
Oh, your fit.
Oh, my fit?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Wait, what are you? What are you supposed to be?
I'm Johnny from Cobra Kai.
Johnny's here. Okay, Johnny, how freaky are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
How much of a what?
How freaky are you?
I don't know. I don't know.
Just like ballpark.
Like, 5?
Okay, Johnny had a 5. Damn. Okay. Johnny, Owen, how much? Like, what's your body count?
Just one.
Just one. Okay, just one. Okay, what's your type?
Shit, I don't know.
Not even one thing. Blonde, brunette, tall, short.
Oh, yeah. Not
You'll take literally anything?
Not anything. Shit, I don't know. It's like, they gotta look good.
Look good, okay. What else?
I mean, blonde or brunette, either one.
Not ginger? You hate gingers?
I mean, no.
You don't fuck with them?
I didn't say that. Any hair color, I guess.
Okay, any hair color, okay.
Not any. Not like green or like.
Green? Oh, you don't like color?
No.
Oh, you hate color people?
What?
Wait, what? Wait. Okay, thank you for the interview. Go. Okay, what's your Insta?
It's Owen Gulick. It's OWENGULICK.
Alright, there you go. Okay, who am I here with? What?
The crewmate.
crewmate.
The crewmate. Okay, we got the crewmate. Okay. The crewmate. How much your fit cost? 100? Okay, 100. Okay. Okay, crewmate. How freaky are you on a scale of 1 to 10? Oh, we got crewmate 8. Freaky. Okay, you freaky. You freaky. Okay, okay. What's your body count though? 7? Damn. Okay, crewmate got action. Crewmate got action. You got some motion? Oh, he got motion. He got motion. Okay, crewmate, what's your ideal type? Oh, he down for anything. You want to plug your Insta or something?
Imposter_movies.
Okay, imposter. Okay.
Okay. What's his name? Crewmate. Bye.
Okay. Ready? Okay. Who am I here with?
I'm Ice Spice. This is Ice Spice in the flesh.
Okay, we got Ice Spice. Okay. Ice Spice, what you got on today?
So I got on my Nike outfit here, and these are some Balenciaga jeans. And
he got the Balenciaga. Okay.
Yes, that's me.
Okay, so how much your fit cost?
$0 from Goodwill.
Oh, Goodwill, you a thrifter. Okay.
I love thrifting.
Okay, how freaky are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
10 out of 10. I'll do.
Oh, damn! 10 out of 10. Okay. Anything. Okay. Wait, so what's your type?
Literally anything except dudes.
Literally anything but dudes. Okay. Not even. Yeah. Can we see your move? Nah, you got. You got that. Not once. Hit it once.
You gotta pay for it.
We'll pay you after. Go ahead. Okay, do you want to plug your Instagram?
Huh?
Do you want to plug your Instagram?
All right. My Instagram.
Not plug it, yeah.
Jacob Stephen 52. Here we go.
Okay, y'all heard that Ice Spice.
That's Ice Spice right there.
Okay. All right, thank you, Ice Spice.
Thank you.
Okay, who am I here with?
Jay. Steven. My name's Kais.
Okay, we got 3. So, how much your fit cost?
60, 30. Yeah, I'm a size 7, so it's like 80.
Okay, damn. Okay. What you got?
Glasses 320.
Are you sure about that?
Positive. Shirt 250. Shoes 1300. Jeans like 65. Apple Watch like 200. Phone free.
Oh, he got the phone?
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Some slide. What you got?
Hat 250. Glasses 270, 250. Shirt 120. Jacket 1300.
Is that Montclair?
Montclair.
Oh damn, he got that Montclair. Okay.
Jeans 1,000.
All right, you got a wreck on them jeans.
And shoes $50. If you know, you know.
Okay. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are y'all?
7.5.
Damn. Okay.
11.5.
Let me out this kid. Damn.
I gotta say 1,000 out of 10.
Like his jeans 1,000. Okay. Okay, no. What's your ideal type?
I like a mess.
Oh, you want
I like her right there.
her right there? Damn. Okay. What you gonna say?
I don't know.
Okay, she don't know yet. Okay, that's fine. Which one will you?
A Mexican. Give me a real Mexican.
Real? Okay, real.
Like a pretty girl that's on her shit, a smart, she getting money type shit.
She get money. Okay. Y'all wanna plug your YouTube? You wanna plug your YouTube? No. Okay, no. You don't got YouTube? Okay.
That's me.
Yeah, she got the whole
Guys, it's not worth it. Guys, it's not worth it.
Okay, ready? Can I interview you? Can I interview you? Yeah. Okay, what's your name?
Xavier.
Nigga, that's not your name.
Sorry, Prince.
That's not your name.
What's my name then?
I don't know.
Exactly,
KB,
Prince.
Get on somewhere, KB. Okay.
Let's cut that out.
What's the next
Y'all
question?
little slang fuck.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
How freaky? 8.5.
Why he lying? Okay.
No, cause
Okay.
I don't do my own ass play. That's
Okay.
Oh, shit.
What's your body count?
Bro, I got a lot to say.
What's your
Federal. 0 virgin for life.
Damn, he knocking over the phone. Why he lying again? All right, so what's your ideal type?
My type for dating or fucking?
Both.
Fucking anybody can get it. Dating black queens.
Hey, That's valid. Okay. How much your fit cost?
$2.
He broke.
Ma'am, 2,500. Do I want what?
Oh my god, I want his
jacket. What happened?
Your jacket is really warm.
I know.
How much your fit cost?
10:30 stolen from Walmart groceries. Quality from my brand new estate. $10 that Dan gave it to me. It's a fan.
A fan? Okay, you want to plug socials?
What I do is socials, Cali.Muhammad, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, BeReal, LinkedIn, MySpace, LinkedIn, Pornhub, OnlyFans.
He's tripping. Don't listen to him. I don't know what he's talking about. What are we saying right now? I don't know what he's talking about, but we finna see y'all at the next one.
So that.
Huh? No vaping in here. Nobody knows. Shut it off. I don't care. Shut it off. If you're vaping, then get out of here. I've never vaped in my life. I saw the vape.
Nobody's vaping.
You want to search me again? Nobody has vapes. Okay. I don't want to see it again.
Next time we see you, pick him out.
I don't want to see it again.
Homer's gonna be not vaping.
We are splitting ways, man.
Yeah.
Quick to smack a bitch, ain't doing no back and forth, go get your brother. Sending kiss face all in, hold DM, I'm trying to fuck her. Bitch do dick, you trying to cuff, you taking out, I'm trying to slaughter. Them ain't bitch, you loving and putting your heart into my favorite boss. We gon' pop up unannounced, hit his ass up, then we bounce.